Hey guys, it's time for the entryway reveal. Just to recap, here's what it used to look like when you first walked in. It was so plain Jane, and now you walk in and it feels so inviting and warm. Here's the marble painting that I made. I absolutely love this piece. If you noticed, I added a frame to it. It was a quick DIY that I did using primed wood. I purchased a 1x2x8 from Home Depot and I cut it up into 4 pieces. 2 pieces that were 31.5 inches and 2 pieces that were 40 inches. I sprayed the wood with Krylon's Chrome Metallic Spray Paint. Once it was dry, I placed the painting face down on the top of the table and nailed the wood to the sides using a nail gun and brad nails. I also decided to add a gallery light on top of the painting so that it could be seen at all times. This was another quick project that I did, and you can learn more about this project by clicking on the link above or in the description box below. Below it, I added a couple of decorative elements. The statue and crystal are from Home Goods. The metal rings are from At Home. The greenery and vase are from Michael's, and they were sold separately. To add more height to the vase, I placed 2 books below. Guys, I have been debating on whether to paint my stair rails for the longest, and I decided to step out of my comfort zone and just do it. I painted it a dark gray color. So far, I'm liking the color. It goes well with the decor, so I'm just going to go with this. If I decide later to change it, I'll make sure to give you guys an update. This was a nightstand that I purchased from Target. It was plain white before. I updated the look of it, and this is how it turned out. I now use it to store my mail and my shoes. This is what the entrance from the garage looked like before. I updated it by adding removable wallpaper and changing out the light fixtures. The removable wallpaper is from Walmart and it does have a texture to it. Here's a look at the space coming from the garage before, and this is how it looks now. I originally made a bench for this space so people could come in, sit down, and take off their shoes, but it took away too much space, so I decided to put it in another room. So here's what the light fixtures looked like before. I changed those out for some pretty ones from Lamps Plus. I also decided to make this mirror feature. This was so easy to make. Plus, it cost me less than buying a huge floor length mirror. Coming in from the garage, I added a long runner that I found from Incredible Rugs and decor.com. Near the front of the door, I placed a 5-foot tall bird of paradise plant to add more color in the space. This is an artificial plant that I purchased from Amazon, but it definitely looks real. This plant did not come with a pot, so I purchased one from Home Goods. Here's another look at how the entryway looked before. And how it looks now. I hope you guys enjoyed this Entryway Makeover series that I did. I pray that you found this inspirational and really helped you get up and decorate. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.